Hey everybody, welcome back to episode 4 of Locke Learn. This is Concrete Chad, and I have a special guest here, David Espino. He's our Director of Operations here at Locke. So real quick, before we get started into this episode, I just want to recap a little bit. We started off talking about our sand and gravel as it goes through the facility into our batch plant where it gets mixed in with our cement and our fly ash and comes out ready to be poured into a mold. So right before it goes into the mold though, there's another step that's going on concurrently, and that is part of our rebar cages. So I'm going to hand it over to David.
Hello everyone. Primary reason we add rebar to concrete is to enhance the tensile strength of the structure itself. Part of our process is that we make all our cages the previous day. It's actually poured. Those designs are put together by our engineering and CAD team. Everything is made to the details and checked by our quality team. We do have our own in-house rebar shear and bending machine. Our team then goes and places those pieces together and ties them using some wire tie guns. Once those are ready to set within the forms, they're poured the following day. We try to stay within that schedule day to day. Some are a little bit more complex. Some of those structures end up being very large. In some cases, some of those cages takes up to 2 days to put together before pouring and setting up those structures.
So just real quick, David, so I see it looks like there's multiple sizes of rebar here. So what are the typical sizes that we use here at our plant?
So typical sizes that we carry here are number 5, number 6, and number 7 rebar. It's deformed grade 60 rebar that we keep here in stock.
So I see we have some different cages here. There are other systems that we use here and that other precasters use.
Yeah, in some cases there is fiberglass reinforcement. There's also reinforcement that's made from plastics or steel fibers that are added to concrete.
Wow, that's great, David. Once the rebar is made, it's going to go into the cage, and we're going to get to that on the next episode. I do want to add one little thing. So Locke really focuses on kind of having our own technical expertise in mix design. So one of those mixes that we've developed is called carbon locked concrete. So this concrete mix is a sustainable concrete. We've partnered with a company called Carbon Cure. It helps us reduce our carbon footprint by helping us reduce the amount of cement in our mix, as well as injecting liquid carbon dioxide into our mix. So if you'd like to learn more about that, feel free to reach out to me, to David, or anyone here at Locke, and we provide you more details on that. So thank you again. Catch us on this next episode as we dive deeper into our concrete process. This is Concrete Chad. This is David Espino. We are out.